How to make reels on Instagram Lite. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can actually make reels on Instagram Lite, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Well, in order to actually make reels using the Instagram Lite app, all you need to do is just open it up. Now the first thing you want to understand is that you can definitely watch reels on Instagram Lite, right? Because you can see the reels icon, I can just swipe up or do whatever else. But to create reels, you will not be able to do it from the Instagram Lite app, because even if I tap the plus button over here, you can see I only have the option to upload a post or I can upload a story. There isn't a reel button. So to create a reel, you just have to actually use the native Instagram application rather than using the Lite version, because you can of course watch the reels from Instagram Lite, but you cannot actually create reels using the Instagram Lite application. So you simply want to be aware of that. So hope this video helped you. If it did help you answer a question, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.